Hello everyone, welcome to Study with Teacher Camille. Today we're going to learn a very important part of English, am, is, and are. These words help us talk about ourselves and others. Are you ready? Let's go. Imagine you meet someone for the first time. How do you introduce yourself? So I can say, I am Camille, or he is John, she is Anna. But can I say I is Camille? Is it okay? What do you think? Now let's spot the mistake. I is a teacher. Is this okay? If your answer is no, then that's correct. Now, why this is incorrect? Let's learn why. But before that, please comment your answer in the comment section. What do you think is the correct answer? We use am, is, and are depending on the subject of the sentence. Look at this. I am a student. He, she, it is happy. We, you, they are friends. Now take a look at here. So our subject here is I, so we use am. Here is he, she, it, so we use is. We, you, they, we use are. So we can also use contraction. It means we shorten the word. So for I am, we can use I'm. He is, his. They are, there. But what if we want to say something negative? Then that's okay. We can add not. For example, I am not tired. She is not here. They are not late. So to make it short or contracted, we can use I am not for I'm not. She is not, she isn't. They are not, they aren't. Sounds easy, right? Let's practice. So let's play a short game. This is a sample exercise. So you tell me if it is correct or incorrect, okay? So comment your answers below. She am a nurse. Is this correct? They are my friends. Is this incorrect? So great job. Now let's try filling in the blanks. Say your answers out loud, okay? I blank a teacher. He blank my friend. They blank happy. Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself in the comments using am, is, or are. So here's my example. Hi, I'm Camille. I'm 36 years old. My favorite sport is badminton. What about you? Also, ask your friends about themselves. So, for the wrap up, remember this. We use am for I. We use is for he, she, it. We use are for we, you, they. Please remember and practice every day. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next lesson. See you next time on Study with Teacher Camille. Bye!